Here from the BBQ Store. Our brisket is sitting at 165 internal temperature. That's Fahrenheit, not Celsius, and it's about ready to wrap in our pink butcher's paper. So I've got my food handling gloves because it's going to be very hot. We've got our barked up 165 brisket. Now that is what I would call halfway done. We want to get it to about 205. Some of the bark hasn't quite set, but that's what we're going to finish off tomorrow. So let's lift this one out, being very careful not to get juices on you. I'm just going to place that on our paper. So now I'm just going to quickly remove these food safety gloves and put on some other gloves. Hygiene is definitely important. So this pink butcher's paper is actually made from peach, and it gives the brisket the ability to breathe. It's something that I recommend. You can use foil. Downside to foil is it does sweat. So when you sweat, you lose your bark, it goes soft. You're not going to achieve that crispy outside, which is really what you want. You want a nice crispy bark, and then you want to have the nice soft meat on the inside. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fold over here. I'm going to press the edges down a little bit and let that fold back. Same on this side. Tuck the edges in. And then we're just going to pinch it closed. And we're going to pop this back in the smoker, and we want to finish this off at about 205 degrees. I'm going to give myself a nice little space there. I'm going to tuck that paper back in, and I'm going to finish off some wings in here. So I'm going to give that a bit of a quick scrub to get rid of the rub that's dropped off, and we'll be back in action a bit later on today. Thanks, guys.